Good morning, it's Mark Drew at Mark Drew Speaks. Mr. Drew coming with that morning motivation. And this morning we're back to it. We're talking about that dog, that hunger. Today you have to be hungry. That's right. And I'm talking about that insatiable thirst to achieve your dream, to get that vision, to get the goal done, whatever it may be. I don't care if it's writing a book, starting a business, from cutting the grass to just getting your chores done. Be hungry for it, man. Pay those bills with a passion. And get it done. Change the world with a passion. Get it done. Love someone today with love and understanding. And get empathy. Be hungry for it. The dog, it doesn't stop, man. I'm thinking about my dog right now. Like, she's probably in the trash right now as I'm out here because she's hungry. And we already fed her. And if we leave her unattended, she'll be in the trash again. A dog will eat until it pukes, and then they'll take that puke and eat it. They don't stop. They're hungry for it. Us? Well, we're not that hungry. We're not that hungry. We say we want it. We want to see the world, but we don't want to drive. We spend so much time recreating, sitting around, chilling, watching Netflix, scrolling the social media feed. That's not hungry. You got to get out there and get it. Your vision's not going to be handed to you guys. You got to go out there and get it. You got to be hungry. All right? We don't stop when we're tired. We stop when we're done. Okay? That you take a nap. Don't even take a nap. Rest your eyes, like grandfather said. And while you're resting your eyes, you meditate on that vision. You meditate on that plan. Develop that plan, a way to organize that time to get it done. Because that's what we're doing today. You are hungry. And you're not going to stop. Don't let those little small victories slow you down. Because the dopamine kicks in and it starts feeling good. Yeah. You're out there, you're posting, and you get a like, and you sit back and it feels good. You get your first client, you get paid, you sit back because it feels good, you start celebrating. We're not done. There's more clients to get. There's more books to write. There's another art piece to create. There's another song to record. There's more work to do. Stay hungry today. Go get it. You know why you're here. You're here to get it done. I believe in you. It's time to start believing in yourself. That's my word to you. That's my morning motivation. Thank you for watching. Thank you for following at Mark Drew Speaks on the Instagram. Mark Drew Speaks 1 on Twitter. I guess, somebody got to Mark Drew Speaks before I could. Like, what's up with that? Taking our stuff before we can even get there. Somebody's hungry. See, that's somebody's hunger. They're doing it. They're out there. You got to be hungry too. Love someone today. Peace.